So, we're going to the restaurant because I'm really hungry. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I got them from the farm. It was not £5, right? 9 eggs. And
wow. I'm really enjoying feeding the ducks.
£80 and
that's a lot. And you've looked after them.
Yep.
And how do you feed them? What should I do? Talk me through it.
you just like hold out.
Okay. What's his name?
This one's Nugget, this one's Nugget.
I think my favourite one is Nugget. Nugget's hungrier, I think. Ducky's not eating much. Tickles! Oh, he's getting it! He's getting it! He wants some of your 7-Up. Can he have 7-Up?
No!
No 7-Up. She's daft. Don't listen to her. That's it. A bit more? A bit more? Well done. Oh, it's hard to get it in their mouth.
Yeah, they do eat it.
Nice to meet you.
And there was 3 nothing inside what was sad.
Yeah.
And 3 stopped their voltage.
Oh.
There was 1.
But you couldn't have had 9, Daniel. You couldn't have had 9 ducks.
No, it would have been too many.
The little yellow one. But that it would grow to a beautiful white duck.
Oh, I would like a white one.
Time, I would like a white one. A yellow one that
But
turns
this one
white.
is Khaki Campbell. Yeah, Khaki Campbell.
What does that mean?
Ducks.
That's the
That's
brand.
it.
That's the brand.
The brand. That's the breed of duck, is it?
Yeah,
Hi, Ducky
What's the
Campbell.
duck's names?
Ducky and Nugget.
Ducky and Nuggets. And Ducky's the one with the black foot, is he? Is that what you said?
Oh, he's off. I can
Well,
feel it.
thanks
He's
for
going to
teaching
go.
us.
Do they not fly yet? No.
No, I'm not clipping them off because if they're flying, oh my god, I think they're turning into
Yeah,
white
look, you can
ducks.
see, why is this all happening
They're
there
baby
with
chicks. That's their chick. Is that their chick love? And
Oh
then
yeah,
this
by
is
the
their
way,
big grown up. by the way.
Ducky's feathers just stick out their butt. I don't know.
Yeah, it
Oh,
does.
it's he has done
It was like-
doing
Oh,
It was like
let's
really
not shame him. He's going to the bath. Right, bye! Bye-bye! Cheerio, say bye! Bye!